Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the text color. So select the text and go to the essential graphics. Also you can change it from effect control. Select the eLearning. I will change this color. So eLearning and go to the fill color and click and change it from here as you want, which color you like. This okay. Also you can add stroke from here. Also add your from here background color as you want. Also you can change the font size from here. Also you can change your font family as you want. After that you can select the second text from here and go to the text. You can change it red color. See, not red, little white. See, change the white color. Also you can increase the font size little bit. Go up, align center. Also a little bit below. Okay, below. Also you can change the text element from here. Also see, go to the effect control and see this. First text is let's learn something new. Second text is eLearning Kingdom. And check the text, select the text and see there is the all style. Also after select this text you can see all style is here also. So hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.